Welcome back to Gear Windows YouTube channel. In this video we will guide you on how to check if a disk drive is GPT or MBR in Windows 11 or 10. For that you can use three methods. So let me start with first one, procedure disk management. For that right click on this one start button and select disk management option. This will open disk management window on your PC. Here select your disk and then right click on it, select properties, then switch to volumes tab. Here you can see GPT or MBR. Next one, procedure is through command prompt. For that click on a start button and then type CMD and right click on this one, command prompt entry, then select run as administrator. Here type disk part and press enter on the keyboard. Again type list disk and press enter on the keyboard. Here you can see GPT or MBR partition type. Last one method is through PowerShell. For that click on this one start button and type PowerShell, then right click on this one Windows PowerShell and select run as administrator. Here type get space hyphen disk and press in here type get space hyphen disk and press enter on the keyboard. Here you can see if partition style is GPT or MBR. That's all about this video. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, and if you are an old customer, then if you find this video useful, then press thumbs up button. Thanks for watching this video.